Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody, by the way. St. Patrick's month. So this is our first...
Trad set.
Yeah, our first example of one that can be also a trad set. Trad would be a lot faster. Obviously, we all love it as the trad set, but how does it fare when you slow it down to a regular open jig speed?
Nobody does this, though.
Nobody does this.
Why not?
Let's find out.
That's right.
You can't not hear the faster version.
Yeah, it's bad.
Like, and there's some horn pipes that you never want to take down to 76 because you only hear that other tune.
Well, right, and like you can't even like choreograph to it. Like you just want to just do the normal set. I think this goes in the no for me.
This is pretty bad.
I don't want to see anybody do this.
This is our first no, and it's so like this is such an.
I thought I was rooting for. I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you.
Here's the question that this is our first trad set that's kind of, to my knowledge. I think some of these can, I think 3Cs can actually be a trad set. Some of these can be a trad set, but like the more common ones. This is our first like very common trad set. Okay. Do we bump at any points for its trad use?
No, because this is not what, we're not rating trad sets.
We're not rating trad sets.
This is set dances.
When you hear nobody does it, you get either scared or excited, like oh, like
well, yeah,
it could be a sleeper. Like
Rambling Rake is a full sleeper.
Yeah, that's a sad one. All right,
okay.
Sorry St. Patrick's Day.
Bye.